Hi, welcome to my channel. I and my family checked in here at Canada Inn's Club Regent Casino Hotel, and this is a suite room. So first, we'll start here in the bedroom, and as you can see, we have a nice view. This room is exactly in front of the building, and we have a jet ski tub, and next is the bathroom, and they give a lot of towels here. So we stayed one night, and this is very clean hotel. In the left side, before we go out in the bedroom, they have a closet, and as you can see, that's my jacket. So we'll go out from the bedroom now, and in the living room they have a big TV. Then on the left side is the dining table and their kitchen. Behind that mirror is another closet. There is a bathroom. So that's it for today. Make sure to hit like, comment if ever you have questions. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.